Evening. Once again, my name is Teacher Onam Pasiri. I have come now with another program, Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel can be used to calculate average. It can be used to calculate total. It can be used also to calculate the minimum mark and also the maximum mark. Here is the demonstration on how to use Microsoft Excel under that circumstance. So the first step is I'm going to launch my Excel sheet with instruction. This is the instruction. So I'm going to type as is. Okay. The first part A1, there is a name. So it's in bold, name. Then we also have ICT. Next. Then we have Farem. Then we have heritage. Then we have total. Then we have average. So this name is to be bold. Okay, it's bold now. Then we have the names John, all in bold, John, followed by Anotida, followed by Nokuonga, followed by Irene, then comes Tawana Nyasha. Alright. Under that we have max for maximum, not the name. Then we have minimum, as in mean. Alright. So the first step is type the word Tawana Nyasha so that it but before that we need to put in the max. So our data says 78, then 34 for John on Farem, 80 in heritage. For Anotida we have 80, ICT, then 68, Farem, then 66 on heritage. Nokuonga is 56, then 52 on heritage. She is 42. Then Irene is 46. From 46 Irene has 80 in Farem, then 90 in heritage. Tawana Nyasha has 78, followed by 60, then 76. Okay. So the first task is to make sure that the word Tawana Nyasha comes out in full. So what we can do now, we can drag this name portion like this. Tawana Nyasha is now in full. So if you want to type, you can type Tawana Nyasha. Okay, the HA is now visible. Okay, so task number 2, we have to get the answer for E3. Where is E3? This is E, then 3 is here, E3. So we are looking for the total for Anotida. So total is equal to sum, then B3 to D3. Okay, that's the sum here. Then the next assignment is F5. Where is F5? F5 is here. It's looking for the average for Irene is equal to average of B5 to D5. This is the average. So the average is 72. Then we go to B7, which is the maximum for ICT, so which is equal to max from B2 to B6, B2 to B6. Okay, then the minimum C8 is the minimum for Farem, which is equal to mean C2 to C6. Okay, then okay, so now we've done as per the assignment. What is left now, we need to insert a chart, a column chart. All right, so we need to highlight on the names, okay, in the marks without the total. Then we insert, we are now inserting the column. The column, we have to make sure that we, on the column chart, we have to make sure that we label it. This one is ICT Max, it's ICT Max. Then the other instruction wants us to add the axis titles. Then here we write the names. Then here we write also the marks. We write the marks. So we are now having our graph there. If you want as bonus, we can have the marks on all the other subjects by copying and pasting here. We can also have the minimum for other subjects by copying and pasting. Then here, pasting here. We can also have the total by pasting here, and also pasting here, okay, for the other learners. Then we can also have the average by copying here, pasting here, and also pasting here. Right. These ones we can format the cells. We remove the decimal places, format cells, then number, we remove decimal places like this. This is fine. So we are now having our table. This is how excellent Microsoft Excel is. That is why it is called Excel, because it is excellent. You see, so we now have our chart. It has the keys, ICT blue, then that gold for Farem, then gray for heritage. So the marks are there, is out of 100, and on the y-axis we have the marks, then on the x-axis we have the names. This is it. Hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something. My name is Tichaona Mpasiri, like I said, a student in Second Teachers College. 20/259/17 is my contact number. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. God bless you. Alright, so we can as well save the document. Let us save the document maybe in Mpasiri CDS. Then we say ICT Excel assignment. Then you save. When it's done, the name is here, everything that we need. Maybe, yeah, as an extra, we can even add the filters. You can add the filters. I can filter here, so that if you want to rank according to